building a hospital which will be commissioned in Banashankar in the next 2 or 3 months. This will be the first hospital in India which is completely paperless and smart. In this hospital, only the people who are going to touch the patient are going to work. People in scrubs are going to work. Anyone else other than the people who are touching the patient will be based remotely in our corporate office or some other hospital. And they will be offering all the services required, financial services, HR services, inventory management, everything is done online. Over the last 23 to 25 years, we have spent over $100 million to build this digital platform, which I presume is one of the world's most advanced digital platform, which is totally developed by our Indian software engineers, which is the only software which is built by the hospital itself. So with the digital platform, we believe healthcare will become safer for the patient. The software will prevent doctors and nurses from making mistakes. The software will bring in efficiency and reduce the price, reduce the cost of delivering healthcare. Now in this hospital, there is not going to be a lab for blood tests. There is no blood bank. All these services will be supported by our Health City campus. We have the most advanced lab in the country, one of the most advanced labs in the country, which is accredited by by the CAP accreditation, a US body which accredits labs all over the world. We do not want we are building quite a few hospitals in Bangalore. None of these hospitals will have lab, none of these hospitals will have a blood bank. All our requirement of blood tests and blood bank services, everything will be supported by our hospital in Electronic City. And that will dramatically bring in efficiency and dramatically reduce the cost. For us, cost of healthcare has to go down. Contrary to the popular perception, we believe that cost of healthcare will go down dramatically and healthcare will become affordable to everyone. And why we are so attracted to Airbound is because of the philosophy that a blood sample or any sample should reach from point A to point B for less than 1 rupee. And this will be a game